Pedal into the future with the latest electric bikes. From sleek commuters to rugged off-roaders, we're charging up the best e-bikes on the market. This intro is short, energetic, and straight to the point, and it sets the tone for a video that's all about showcasing the best electric bikes. Number 5. Jetson Bolt Electric Ride-On. The Jetson Bolt Electric bike is a lightweight and sturdy electric ride-on designed for everyday use. With a max range of 15 miles, you can explore your neighborhood or commute to work on a single battery charge. The aluminum alloy frame can support up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for riders of all sizes. The collapsible handlebar allows for easy storage and transportation, whether you need to take it up and down stairs or tuck it away under your desk. The powerful, yet quiet, 250-watt motor allows you to zip around town in style, while the LED headlight ensures safe riding even in low-light conditions. The LCD display provides a simple visual of your battery life, keeping you informed at a glance. Experience the convenience and fun of the Jetson Bolt electric bike. Number 4. TotGuard Electric Bike. The TotGuard eBike is a powerful electric bike designed for adults. It features a 350W high-speed motor, allowing you to reach a top speed of 19.8 mph with its 36 volts. 10.4 are removable lithium-ion battery. You can achieve a range of 28-30 miles in full electric mode and 50-60 miles in pedal assist mode. The front suspension fork and dual disc brakes provide excellent shock absorption and reliable braking, ensuring a smoother and safer riding experience. The aluminum frame and Shimano 21-speed transmission system make this electric mountain bike lightweight, sturdy, and versatile. With 3 working modes and an intelligent LCD display, you can easily customize your ride and keep track of your speed, battery level, and mileage. The TotGuard eBike is perfect for both mountain adventures and daily commutes. Number 3. Lectric XP Lite Electric Bike. The Lectric XP Lite bike is the ultimate electric bike for adults who want to remain mobile. With its powerful 720W peak power motor, you can ride up to 20 miles per hour using the 5-pedal assist levels for a boosted ride. This electric bike is designed to traverse diverse terrain, allowing you to smoothly ride on concrete, gravel, grass, and dirt. It is also equipped with water-resistant electrical components, making it suitable for light rain and puddles. Whether you're a college student, hiker, city dweller, or grandparent, this e-bike is perfect for you. It requires no assembly and can be easily folded and unfolded for convenient storage. The 48-volt 7.8Ah battery charges fully in just 4-6 hours and provides a range of over 40 miles. With over 200,000 electric bikes sold, Lectric knows what they're doing and offers excellent customer service to assist you. Number 2. Ancheer Electric Bike for Adults. Experience effortless rides with the Ancheer Electric Bike. Its powerful 350W brushless motor allows you to reach a maximum speed of over 20 miles per hour. With pedal assist, the advanced 48V10-4, a removable battery ensures a quick 3-3.5-hour full charge time and a remarkable range of up to 45 miles per charge. With the versatile 7-speed gear system, you can effortlessly adjust your speed and enjoy exceptional hill climbing power. The LCD digital display provides essential information such as battery level, current speed, and mileage. The front suspension absorbs bumps for a smooth ride, and the dual disc brakes ensure reliable and responsive stopping power. Simplify your rides with the Ancheer Electric Bike. Number 1. Ancheer Electric Bike for Adults. Experience effortless rides with the Ancheer Electric Bike. Its powerful 350W brushless motor allows you to reach a maximum speed of over 20 miles per hour. With pedal assist, the advanced 48V10-4, a removable battery ensures a quick 3-3.5-hour full charge time and a remarkable range of up to 45 miles per charge. With the versatile 7-speed gear system, you can effortlessly adjust your speed and enjoy exceptional hill climbing power. The LCD digital display provides essential information such as battery level, current speed, and mileage. The front suspension absorbs bumps for a smooth ride, and the dual disc brakes ensure reliable and responsive stopping power. Simplify your rides with the Ancheer electric bike.